The Chinese medical team in Namibia on Monday delivered a lecture on traditional Chinese medicine to students from the University of Namibia. During the lecture at the university's Confucius Institute, the students had the opportunity to experience some TCM techniques, including acupuncture, massages, moxibustion, and cupping.
Today we did acupuncture, cupping, which was my first time trying any of this, and I feel really relaxed, really at ease with myself right now. And I really did enjoy all the procedures that they did to us today. Despite the fact that I was a bit scared of the acupuncture, it was quite really enjoyable. I would definitely recommend for anyone who has like some pain, anything that is bothering you, I would definitely recommend to come get checked out. Yeah.
China has sent a total of 15 medical teams to Namibia since its first mission in 1996. The medical teams have been committed to ensuring the health of the Namibian people while also maintaining the friendship between the two countries.